Kwa wanafunzi ambao wanafuzu siku ya leo, heko kwa kazi yenu nzuri. Mgeni wetu wa heshima, kwa ruhusa yako naomba nimlete kiongozi wa wanafunzi atupe hotuba yake.
Thank you. The Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, the Principal Secretary, State Department for TVET, His Excellency, the Governor of Nyeri County, the Chair of the Governing Council, the Chief Principal, members of staff, parents and guardians, distinguished guests, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is a day we've all been waiting for. It is a day filled with pride, gratitude, and a deep sense of accomplishment. More than anything, it is a day that reminds us of the journey we have taken together. When we first joined the Nyeri National Polytechnic, many of us came with uncertainty. We came with different backgrounds, different expectations, and different dreams. Some of us were confident, others were unsure, but all of us were hopeful. Along the way, we faced challenges. There were moments of doubt, times when the work felt difficult, and times when giving up seemed easier. But we did not give up. We showed up, we learned, we practiced, and we kept moving forward. Through workshops, classrooms, projects, Not just what to think, but how to do. One of the most important things we gain during this journey is experience. We were not only whether through practical sessions, projects, or institutional activities, we learned what it means to apply knowledge in real situations. You have been mentors, guides, and sometimes even counselors. Your patience and commitment have shaped us into who we are today. To the management of this institution, thank you for creating an environment where we could grow. The facilities, the opportunities, and the support we received have made this journey possible. To our parents and guardians, we are deeply grateful. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and belief in us have carried us through even the most difficult moments. This achievement is as much yours as it is ours. And to my fellow graduates, today we celebrate together. We have supported each other, learned from each other, and grown together. This bond will remain with us even as we go our separate ways. As we step out into the world, we carry more than certificates. We carry skills, experiences, and lessons that will guide us. The future will not be easy, but we are now better prepared to face it. Let us be bold in our ambitions, responsible in our actions, and committed to using our skills to create positive change. Whether we find employment, start businesses, or continue learning, let us strive to make a difference. Today is not the end of our journey. It is the beginning of a new chapter. On behalf of the graduating class, I thank you all and I congratulate my fellow graduates. May we go forward with confidence, purpose, and determination. Thank you.
A round better clap for him. May I take this opportunity to welcome our Chief Principal to give us her speech.
Chief guest, Dr. Esther Tharamoria, the Principal Secretary, State Department for TVET, Your Excellency, the Governor of Nyeri, Mwalimu Dr. Mutahi Kahiga, the KNCCI President, represented here by Dr. George Karanja, the representatives of the various regulatory bodies that are with us today, distinguished members of the Nyeri National Polytechnic Governing Council, our industry partners and sponsors, the CATI principals present here, the families and the friends of our graduates who are here, the graduating class of 2026, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning once again. It is my great honor to welcome each one of you to the Nyeri National Polytechnic for the celebration of the graduating class of 2026. Today, we are going to confer diplomas, certificates to our 2,923 graduates. Our theme for this 6th graduation ceremony is skills that develop nations, training for prosperity. We are reflecting on the strong belief that properly taught skills are among the most powerful things that a young person can carry into the world. Before I proceed, our chief guest, allow me to recognize the presence of your generals, the CATI principals, who are present here. My colleague principals, kindly let us stand up and wave to our peers. Thank you, my colleagues. I will donate a second of my time to the CATI chair to greet the congregation on behalf of all the CATI principals. Karibu.
Yes, our chief guest and the Principal Secretary State Department of Tibet, Dr. Esther Moria, His Excellency the Governor of the Nyeri County, Mutahi Honorable Excellency, and all the dignitaries riding on the established protocols, good morning. Indeed, this is a very good morning that we are gathering here at the Nyeri National Polytechnic for yet another colorful graduation. And indeed, before I proceed, I want to congratulate the new principal, my colleague, Madam Rachel Kimani, for taking over the institution and actually steering it from the very humble stage where it is to the next level. Congratulations, Madam Principal, for the good work that you have just started. Indeed, today, I want to also thank Madam Pierce for the steadfast leadership in the very vibrant subsector of the education, where the Tibet is really doing very well. The reforms that are taking place in the subsector has really led us to where we are today. The reforms that touches on the modularized curriculum, sonorization of our institutions, greening agenda, and many others is really positioning us to the next level in the education sector. Indeed, Madam Pierce, our colleagues should have been more today, but I know there are many other engagements taking place today elsewhere, and so they actually send their greetings and so receive them because they send me on their behalf. So today, Madam Pierce also, we are happy that recently we concluded the recruitment of the 1,000 trainers who actually completed their interview about 2 weeks ago. And it is our appeal that they could be able to report probably before the month of May or at the end of April so that we can be able to allocate them the duties and they can be able to start doing the work in the institutions. Allow me also to thank His Excellency the Governor of Nyeri County because he considered one of us who was the principal of this institution, Dr. David Mwangi. Indeed, that shows how the leadership of our institutions are considered when it comes to the county government management. Dr. Mwangi was my mentor. He was the CATI chair. He led us for 3 years, and where he left is where I took over from. Dr. Mwangi cannot fail your county government. Count on that because we saw him leading us in CATI, fraternity, and he made us actually to be where we are today. Otherwise, we are very thankful because we are coming to the graduation to join